Let's assemble your favorite StormX. Lay out the bike and front wheel, then confirm that all parts and tools are included. Loosen the stem clamp and rotate the stem 180 degrees forward without turning the suspension fork. Remove the front light and install the handlebar. Reinstall the front light, then tighten the faceplate bolts evenly in a cross pattern. Raise the seat post, set a starting height, and secure the seat clamp firmly. Confirm that the fork arch faces forward. Now, remove the packing protector material. Remove the fork protection bar on the bottom of the fork and the plastic protector plate inside the brake caliper. Remove the axle shipping cap on both sides of the front wheel. Remove the washers and nuts on both sides of the axle. Have a helper lift the front of the bike and have a second person move the front wheel into position beneath the fork. Guide the wheel into the fork dropouts, keeping the brake rotor aligned with the caliper. Center the wheel, tighten both axle nuts evenly, and torque them to 30 to 40 Newton meters. Rotate the handlebar and controls to a comfortable riding angle. Now it's time to tighten the front light. Tighten its mounting bolts securely without over-tightening. Your handlebar is now firmly installed. You can see an even gap on the top and bottom of the light housing against the stem body, so it sits evenly. Align the handlebar with the front wheel. Tighten the stem side bolts evenly to 4 to 6 Newton meters, then confirm that the wheel and handlebar turn together. Connect the keyed 8-pin controller connector, the 5-pin light connector, and the 5-pin button connector to the display. Press each connector fully into place, then tuck the cables neatly along the stem. Identify the left and right pedals. Thread the left pedal counterclockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Start both by hand, then tighten them with a 15mm wrench. Position the fender beneath the fork arch. Install the center bolt in both stays. Center the fender over the tire, then tighten all fasteners and check for rubbing. Hold the power button for 5 seconds. The screen lights up, confirming that the display is starting. Enter the factory passcode 000000. Change this code after setup. Wait for the display to unlock. Tap the RFID fob against the display logo to unlock the bike. Charge the battery on the bike, align the plug, never force it. To charge off the bike, unlock the battery with the supplied key and slide it out carefully. Support the battery with both hands as it clears the frame. See the owner's manual for more details. Thank you for choosing Favorite.